Chandra from M.A.S.E University, Noida, India. It's a goal to make humans industrial species one day. Break the Ice Lunar Challenge has given us the right opportunity to take us one step closer. We are building an excavating system which is capable of excavating large quantities of lunar ice.
Have you ever thought of how much quantity of ice lies underneath the surface of Moon? It is approximately over 600 billion kilograms. That is enough to fill at least 240,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Lunar excavation is highly intriguing because it is pretty much unexplored as of now. So, Team Chandra is on a mission to present a groundbreaking solution which is future ready. Our team comprises a bunch of space enthusiasts who desire to make a difference in this field. To solve it, we have decided to approach this question in an innovative way. An excavation machine, M.A.S.E, machine inspired by Archimedes' crew, Excavator. It has a basic rover design with two Archimedes screws attached on either side which could both rotate and translate to excavate the icy regolith. So, are you ready to experience this revolution?